Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change camera on OmeTV. Right, so this is very easy thing to do. So for example, I got this notification to change my camera each and everything here. But in some cases, if you're not getting this, I will just close this up, right? Right, and once I close this up, so you have to guys just refresh this up. Right, so let me just open a new window and right, so you will get option again, but some cases if you're not getting this, so let me just put it down here, and now you will get this option, right? Okay, so you will get this option, click on it, and here you will get this option of camera. So I will just turn this on, and if you want to change the camera, click on this arrow icon, then just go to the manage here. Now here you will get this option of to change the camera. So if you have added any another camera, as you can see here I have two cameras. The first one is a OBS and the second one is a USB, that is a normal camera here. If you have more than one camera, you can just go and change. So now I want to use this USB, right? So once I do this, you can see here the access is already given. So I will now just go back here, and now as you can see here, if I just go and click on start, right? So here, okay, after changing the camera you need to reload, right? Then you can just go and click on start, right? So here it's saying that click on this icon to give the access. Okay, so also I have to give the microphone access because that is important, and then you have to reload this page once again, and then we can just start it, right? So now if I just go and click on start here, everything is allowed and it has started working, right? So this is how you can do it. This is really interesting, and I hope you found this video very useful. As well as here you will get this option to change your microphone here. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.